Hi there! In this Clickjack Hack review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you legally copy and paste viral content and turn it into daily payouts without showing your face, building an audience, or spending a single dollar. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Clickjack Hack through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Clickjack Hack? Clickjack Hack is a step-by-step system that shows you how to use other people's viral content and repurpose it legally through a hidden payout portal to make money online without recording videos, showing your face, or building a following. It's perfect for beginners who want to start earning passive income using viral content they didn't even create. And no, you don't need to be creative, tech-savvy, or spend hours editing. What's cool about Clickjack Hack? Completely faceless. No need to be on camera, zero cost traffic. A sneaky trigger gets your content seen. No product creation or selling works worldwide. Cash out from anywhere. This isn't one of those make money while you sleep scams. Clickjack Hack gives you the real tools and training to copy, upload, and monetize trending content. But yes, you'll still need to follow the steps and stay consistent. How it works. It's ridiculously simple. Step 1. Spot a trending piece of viral content. They show you where to find it. Step 2. Paste it into their secret monetization platform. Step 3. Collect payments, rinse, and repeat. There's even a 15-minute quick start demo that shows you how to get paid before your coffee gets cold. What you get inside, here's what you unlock when you grab Clickjack Hack. Quick start demo. Learn the method in minutes. Invisible creator toolkit. Stay 100% anonymous. Zero cost traffic trigger. A powerful setting. Most people miss infinite loop blueprint. How one piece of content can earn in multiple places. Worldwide cash out guide. Get paid no matter where you live. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. After grabbing the main product, just $13, here are the optional upgrades you'll see. Pro upgrade. Unlock more tools and remove any limits. Done for you package. They set everything up for you. Traffic and video training. Learn how to scale with automation, graphics and branding add-on, design, viral ready thumbnails and visuals. Reseller rights. Keep 100% of the profits by reselling Clickjack, Hack automation and scaling tools. Upload faster, scale wider. You don't need them all, just grab what fits your strategy. If you're a beginner, even the front end alone can get you started. What I like, super beginner friendly. No face, no voice, no content creation, can be done in under 10 minutes a day. Works from anywhere, laptop or phone. Real daily payout, potential without spending money. What could be improved? It's not a guaranteed ATM. Like any system, it requires some effort. If you're looking to build long-term personal branding, this might not be the right fit. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a simple, low-cost way to earn online without being a content creator, Clickjack Hack is worth checking out. No face, no followers, no fancy tools. Just copy, paste, and cash out legally. You can grab it using my link below. And don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Clickjack Hack review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.